আচ্ছা, আপনার কি সমস্যা?
My name is MT Abul Shin My name is MT Abul Shin Mondon Noyon. I am suffering from mentally problem. My father, my leg has been given burial sequel last 19th of March on Wednesday. My,
How,
my
how old are you?
I'm already 39 years old. I was born in 1986.
Education?
I have not yet passed SSC exam. I have passed only class 8.
এই যে আপনি যে ইংরেজি পারেন,
Yes, of
এটা
course.
কিভাবে সম্ভব? আপনি এই পাস করার পর, হ্যাঁ,
I have not learned anyone in English. I have learned English alone because I am atom in English. I have brain in English grammar. Nobody taught me English. I have learned English alone by reading English, and I have learned read English grammar with attentively. For this, so I can speak English fluently, and I speak English easily.
হোয়াট ইউ আর ফ্রম?
Where are you from?
হোয়ার আর ইউ ফ্রম?
I am from Jangram.
আচ্ছা, আপনার এই কারণটা কি যে আপনি পিছনে দেখি শিকল পরা দিচ্ছে নাকি? দেখি শিকলটা, দেখি শিকলটা দেখাও। এই শিকল পরার কারণটা কি?
Because of my given my leg very sickle, I'm telling this reason. Just my sister-in-law was cooking rice at 3:30 p.m. With her mother. At that time, I woke up from bed and washed my hand and face and went there, and drinking water and talking with my mother-in-law. I went there, but my elder brother Liton told my father that he went he went with my wife. Please let him give him leg very sickle. Becoming angry, my father has given my leg very sickle. But I have now not done any crime. But as a crime, my leg has been given very sickle. They are not good. They are my killer. My father is my most wanted killer. He will shoot me with a gun very soon. He does not want to see me. He behaves bad with me. My elder brother Little also does not want to see me. He wants to see me a bit. For this reason,